dance is called the Tora dance by the Dagomba tribe of northern Ghana. Today is a very good day at the Lamashego Chief's Palace. We are at the Lamashego King's Palace today. That's the palace to our community to welcome our brothers and sisters from the southern part of Ghana. Our brothers and sisters is from the eastern region of Ghana, and they are part of the Ashanti tribe. And they have come to pay homage to the king of Lamashego and to also pay the homage to the people of the Dagomba tribe, so that we can tighten up our unity. Dancing is an Ashanti man from the southern part of Ghana. So this is the real meaning of unity. Ashantis and Dagombas have some very great unity. And as you all can see, our brothers and sisters in the southern part of Ghana is here at the Lamashego Chief's Palace, a suburb of Tamale, to pay homage to we the people of Dagomba Kingdom and to also, make us, strengthen our unity. Visit, and we thank all our brothers and sisters from the southern part of Ghana for visiting with the Dagombas in northern Ghana. So now it's time for us to also watch them play the traditional drumming and dancing that the Ashantis has brought, to perform or has come to perform for us to see. So this is a kind of changes of cultural practices. This particular dance ensemble is from the Maule Ndolia traditional group from the Jomoro district in the western region. So as you can see them. So the name to this dance is called the Naule Nolia, and they are from the Jomoro district of Western region. These are the Naule Nolia traditional drum. So this our brothers and sisters is from the western region of Ghana, and as you all know, or some of you know, the capital city of western region is Takoradi. So these our brothers and sisters is from the Jomoro district in the western region. That is somewhere around Nzulezu area. So these are the Enzema people of western region, the Enzema tribe. So that's an Enzema cultural dance from western region of Ghana. Of Labashago seated at the far top. All right, thank you, our brothers. We appreciate you all.
The Honorable Regional Minister, the Chief of the Zone Chiefdom, Nana Ama, and all the beautiful ladies and few gentlemen from the Enzema land. On this auspicious day, it gives me an honor to be able once again to be with you and to share a very brief, extremely brief about Dagomba and about Damba and the oldest kingdoms in Ghana, almost 400 years ahead of the Ashanti Kingdom. So you can tell the history of Dagomba dates back to almost the 13th century. And we have lived through peace with everybody within the jurisdiction. The cornerstone of our pride is the lion, and the lion resides in Yana Abubakar II, or for that matter, Garba Gole. That is where our pride resides, and he is the custodian of the whole entirety of the Bam. And for that matter, this auspicious day is under his blessing and the blessing of Almighty God. So we are very honored to have you in our land to share our beautiful custom with you and Damba Festival, which dates back, as I said, as old as the kingdom of Dagomba, over 700 years, the oldest in Ghana. And we always celebrate it with all our loved ones, our neighbors, and those far and beyond. And that is why, for the first time in the history of Dagomba, we are having a whole entourage of Queen Mothers from the Enzema land. It opens a new chapter, a chapter of sisterhood, brotherhood, and opens a lot more opportunities in terms of businesses, as indicated by my uncle, the Chief of Zone, and the Honorable Minister earlier on in the day when he was hosting us, as a matter of fact, hosting you. He indicated the government flagship programs is what the northern people of Ghana, and for that matter, Dagomba, will live on, and that is agriculture. So we believe this visit and this Damba will open a lot more opportunities in terms of agricultural industrialization. Will open a lot more in terms of business opportunities, in terms of cultural exchange. So this should not be the last. This is only the beginning of greater things to come. And on behalf of the people of Dagomba, on behalf of the Chief of Lamashagu, and on my own behalf, we welcome you to our great kingdom, the kingdom of Nagbewa, Dagomba. Thank you very much.
Honorable Minister, that is the Minister, the Northern Regional Minister, is going to deliver his speech.
Yes, Nanama, ladies and gentlemen, with you this afternoon, a very peaceful place, very conducive for investments. I know your visit today or this week may be too short for you to see the things that you need to do here, but I hope the collaboration would continue. That would lead us to greater heights than we even expected. I know your visit today is just to acclimatize and fraternize with the Dagomba customs, but there is more to that than just the cultural activities that we are witnessing today. There is so much investment opportunities, and I hope that when you go back to the Enzema land, You will have fond memories of Dagomba and the people of Dagomba. You will encourage them to come and invest here. Your brothers and sisters, some of whom we have lived here, will attest to this fact. And I think that this is just the beginning of good things that are yet to come. On my own behalf and on behalf of the people of chiefs and people of Dagomba and the northern region at large, once again welcome you here. Pray to the Almighty God that whilst you are here, you have a very peaceful stay, very joyous and very meritorious, and hope that when you get back to Enzema land, you will be eager to come. But let me also assure you that we have Queen Mothers here who would witness all that is happening here and would be collaborators with you in this direction. We would facilitate that. Our office will lead in the charge of that. And I'm assuring you that your visit here would not be the first and would not be the last. There are more collaborations that will follow suit. In my own capacity, I'd like to assure you that this thing has come to stay. The relationship between Enzema Queen Mothers and Dagomba has come to stay. And that we will cherish you and we will forever cherish the visit that you have paid. Thank you once more and welcome to Dagomba. Dagomba is proud of you and may God bless you.